Hey family, today I will be sharing with you how to do a simple balloon centerpiece as well as adding to that to create a flower balloon using one of the flower clips that I purchased from Amazon. Sit right there, don't you go anywhere. So let's get started. You will need one flower clip for each table or space that will have a balloon centerpiece. These are the flower clips in the video, and the link will be in the description. You will also need one large balloon in a color of your liking and 3 small balloons. Let's get started. You're going to take the tied end of the larger balloon and slide it to the center hole of the clip, as I'm doing right here. Now you're going to start with your small balloons. For each, take the tied end and slide through one of the remaining slips on the clip. I use 3, but you may use more. There are actually 10 outer slits on the flower clip. There's small balloon number 1. Finishing up small balloon number 2. And now we have small balloon number 3. As you can see, there are other slits left. Finished it is. So here I am now preparing to add to the balloon centerpiece by doing a flower balloon. I have blown up 3 small balloons. I did an extra one in case one burst, so that's why I have an extra one. So just showing you that there are other slits remaining, and I will be sliding the 2 balloons into 2 of those slits.
I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give. You're just
putting on the first one that will finish the flower balloon. And I am preparing to put on the next one. You can see it coming together, I'm sure. You can see it coming together slowly as a flower. Finish off the flower look. There you have it.
Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Liddy Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, party throw, party foul, party foul.
What do you all think? There's your flower balloon.
We cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you.
So here's the final product. Remember, I originally had the 4-piece centerpiece, and now I have changed it. I went and looked back at the original one, and I was like, well, let me just go on and take it a step further and do the flower decor, the balloon flower. Of course, if you've got the balloon tape or anything else that'll hold these up, these can be put on the wall. I don't know that they would be best to put these as a centerpiece. The other balloon centerpiece, yes, but the flowers, you want to use these maybe on a backdrop or just on the walls, or maybe on some balloon sticks, or in another way, not necessarily the centerpiece on the table. So yeah, this is the final product, and I decided to do it since the white balloon had it was kind of deflating and the other balloons were really. Now you can tell that this balloon is slightly bigger than the others. That was just me blowing it up, so they are all not necessarily the same size. But yeah, I just wanted to give you just a quick look at flower balloons. You wouldn't need many of these to really bring out your decor in at your next event. You would only need a few of these, and you can always interchange these with maybe some other kind of balloon bouquet or just any other decor that you might have. You can have more than one type of decor, of course. But yeah, I just love these flower balloons, and I did it based on the clip. You could do these without a clip, but I just, that's just me using the flower clip. So again, I will put the link in the description as to where I got the flower clips from. You only need one per space or one per table that you're going to be putting these on, and so you wouldn't need many at all. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, y'all know what to do.